We have seen the model is successfully downloaded and getting the response. It is thinking. Let's wait for the response. Yeah, we have seen the process of thinking. And let's wait for the output. Guys, welcome back to brand new video. Welcome to Bharath Tech World YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore new Gemma 4 model from Google. We will see the brand new model like Gemma 4 is launched, and it has maximum compute and memory efficiency. Maximum compute and memory efficiency model. This model has maximum compute and memory efficiency model, and we have seen the capabilities, and it supports 140 plus languages. We have seen the performance compared to the Qwen 3.5 model, and the performance is near to 1450. The performance score what we have seen in this model, and these are the percentages based upon the parameters, and the brand new Gemma 4 model is available on this Ollama and Hugging Face and some many other, and yeah, first of all we will test this model, and we need to install Ollama software. For that we have multiple options to download and test this model, and we will go with Ollama. And we have seen in the model section Gemma 4 is there, brand new and latest released this model, and it has multiple models like the context and the size 31 billion parameters model, 26 billions and 2 billion parameter model. Yeah, we will test this 2 billion parameter model in locally. In that we need to download the Ollama software first. After that we need to install these models. We will click on this download button to download Ollama software, and yeah, first of all we need to download the Ollama software, and after that we will install or else like download the model and run that model. Yeah, we are downloading the Ollama software on Windows. It will be 1.8 gigabyte, and let's wait for completing the download process. Yeah, in my computer it's showing 4 minutes left. It will depend upon your internet speed. If your internet speed is high compared to my internet speed, you will be getting very fast download of the software. Yeah, we are seeing like the software is downloading. Let's wait to complete the download process. And we have some other models is also there to download and test those models, and we can use AI using free by using these models. These are the popular models. Like there is a lot of models based upon your usage and category, and these are the like this Gemma 4 is latest model from Google, and we have multiple models like Qwen 3.5 and Minimax M2.7 and this GLM 4.7 Flash. Yeah, so many models is there. You need to download and test these models in your local system without need to pay any charges or else subscription to the to the companies, and we need to download these models and test and do our work with these models. Like, the model will be work on based upon your system capabilities. Your system has high configuration, it will run way better compared to low configuration PCs. And yeah, we will see the software is downloading. Let's wait for completing the downloading process. And the software is successfully downloaded. We need to install the software, and after that we will download these models and work with those models. We need to install those softwares. Let's install the software. Okay, this is the setup process of Ollama software installation, and the software is downloading. Let's wait to complete of installation. The Ollama software is successfully downloaded, and we need to see like we have seen the interface of Ollama software, and in this section we have bunch of models is there, like so many models is there. We need to download the Gemma model, right? For that we have seen the Gemma 3 models, and we need to search the Gemma 4 model. For that we will go and copy this model and paste this in this section based upon which model we want. And we have seen this model suggestion, and by using that suggestion we need to download that model. Click on that model, and after that we need to send some message. After that it will automatically download those model and get back to response from this model. And we need to click on settings and explore those features. We have seen these enable cloud models and web search. Like in these models, like in the settings, we have multiple options is there. Auto download updates to update automatically by using this option, and context length by using this toggle. We need to change the context length. And yeah, first of all we will test this model by sending the message. It will download the model, and after that it will reply back the response from the model. Yeah, we have seen it shows downloading the model. This huge model, like 6.7 GB. It takes time to download. Let's wait for completing the process. We have seen the model is successfully downloaded and getting the response. Let's wait for the response. It is thinking. Let's wait for the response. Yeah, we have seen the process of thinking. And let's wait for the output. Yeah, for the single message, it takes 17 seconds to think and getting response. It will be the response time is based upon your PC configuration. It will get faster when your PC configuration is high, and it get some little bit slow when your PC configuration is low. whenever you need to download the model, you need to check is that this model is capable or not in the ChatGPT by mentioning your PC configuration along with this model. The ChatGPT will let you know that the model will capable of running in your machine or not, or else it not supports in your configuration type of that. It will suggest everything. Yeah, that's all for today. If you want further in detail exploration and testing of this model, let me know in the comment section. We will make another video of testing these models and the capabilities, how it is. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you like the video, consider subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. See you then. Thank you.